How to use Dazz Cam app. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you could use this app called Dazz Cam. As you can see right now, I have opened my Dazz Cam app and the different features are the camera of course, the editor, collage, AI art, and stickers. In the editor, this is where you will be able to edit your different photos. Now make sure that you allow it to access your storage of course. On collage, this is where you will be able to create collages as well. On stickers, you could have stickers created using photos that you have as well. And over here on the shop, you will be able to buy different stickers for yourself that you could add as you can see here. For example, you could add some masks, which you will be able to use to add to your photos. You have hearts over here as well, you could use that as well. And you have your blush over here and many more stickers. There's also filters, background, and fonts over here that you could use. You could also have an AI to generate your image for you. This has an AI generator over here. So if ever you want to use that, you could utilize that as well. So those are the basic features of Dazz Cam. So if you want to use this, feel free to use it for you guys. But that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.